Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo 7. To begin your racing journey, navigate to the world map, which serves as your central hub for all activities. Your first major goal is to visit the GT Cafe and complete the initial menu books. These tasks guide you through the game and unlock essential features. Simultaneously, head to the license center to hone your driving skills and earn licenses, which are crucial for participating in more advanced races. Mastering these basics sets a strong foundation for your entire experience. Acquiring and customizing cars is a core part of Gran Turismo 7. You can expand your garage by purchasing vehicles from Brand Central for new models, the used car dealership for older gems, or the Legend Cars dealership for rare classics. Once you have a car, visit the tuning shop to upgrade its performance, adjusting everything from engine power to suspension settings. Don't forget to personalize its look at the livery editor, making your vehicle truly unique on the track. Progression in Gran Turismo 7 revolves around racing and collecting. Engage in a wide array of races and championships across the world map to earn valuable credits and unlock new cars. Continuously practice on diverse track layouts to refine your cornering, braking, and acceleration techniques. The game encourages you to collect over 400 unique vehicles and complete all 39 menu books at the GT Cafe, providing a clear path through the single-player campaign and unlocking many hours of gameplay. For those seeking a deeper challenge, explore advanced driving techniques. Experiment with turning off driving assists and utilizing manual transmission to gain finer control over your vehicle. When you're ready to test your skills globally, jump into sport mode to compete against other players in daily races and championships, striving for higher driver and sportsmanship ratings. For local fun, challenge a friend in two-player split-screen races, offering a classic competitive experience right on your couch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.